Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making crack chicken spaghetti. And Calvin's been out doing all kinds of things around the house today, and so have I, and so I'm preparing this meal for our lunch today. And I've already got my noodles boiling over here, and I'm fixing to get started on my sauce. And I think this is going to be a real good recipe. And it might even be enough for us to have for our supper meal too. It just depends on how much we eat for lunch. So let me get started on my sauce. Okay, my spaghetti noodles have just got through cooking, so I'm going to drain them, and when I get these drained, I'm going to prepare the sauce for making my cheese sauce for my spaghetti now. So I'm adding 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And I'm adding my chicken broth. And that was half a cup of chicken broth. Whoops. Okay. Now I'm going to be adding my Velveeta cheese. And I'm going to stir this all till it melts before I add the rest of my ingredients. I think I'm going to make a salad to go with this too, Calvin.
Okay, that sounds good to me.
You got your choice. You could either have broccoli, salad, or corn.
I'll take a salad today.
All right, sounds good to me.
I think by tomorrow our green tomatoes are going to be big enough we can have fried green tomatoes tomorrow.
Yeah, you know how to make fried green tomatoes really good. I think you should do that on camera. I love your fried green tomatoes.
We'll see. I ain't got a haircut yet.
A lot of people on YouTube, I notice, hadn't. So I don't think it's going to matter at all. And some people don't even have hair on YouTube.
Okay, well I guess I can't complain about that, can I?
No. And while you're cooking this cheese sauce, you need to cook it on low.
It sure does look good. Cameraman always gets hungry when he watches you cook.
Well, spaghetti is one of my favorite meals. And this cheese is melting down pretty good right now. So when it melts down, I'm going to add in my ranch dressing mix. I noticed out in the garden today that my gladiolas, it's hard to say that word, gladiolas are looking good. Okay, now then I'm going to add in my dry ranch mix. And this is an easy recipe. You can make this in larger quantities to feed a bigger crowd. But it's just me and Calvin here, so this is going to be just right for us. I remember those days when I cooked for crowds all the time. It's a little different now since we retired, isn't it, Calvin?
It is. When our children were teenagers and all their friends would come over, you'd be cooking some big meals.
Okay.
One of my favorites was when you cooked homemade
Okay,
tacos.
my cheese sauce is done now, so I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. Okay, I'm going to add my chicken. You can use fresh chicken, but I'm using what I've got, and so this here is canned chicken. We'll have the recipe in the description below. Okay. Now then I'm going to add my noodles. I should have added my noodles first, but I don't guess it matters.
Well, it looks very good.
I'm going to use this right here to stir with. Now that's doing much better. Okay, you can use fried bacon in this, but I didn't have any fried bacon today, so I'm going to be using bacon bits. That looks good and coated. Okay. So now I'm going to add a few bacon bits. Okay, I have my spaghetti mixed up now, and so now I'm going to put it in my sprayed baking dish, and this is an 8x8. Some bacon bits in it. So more on top. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to be putting some cheese on. You can go as heavy or light as you want on your cheese. Calvin, he likes cheese. Okay, there we go. And so I'm going to put some bacon bits on, some more. Okay, so, okay, I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, my cracked spaghetti is done. It smells wonderful. That's what it looks like. Can you smell those smells coming?
Oh, it looks wonderful.
Smells really good.
I love all that cheese you put on there.
Okay, let me stir this up some.
That's a perfect size serving for me right there.
Okay. Okay, so now I'll get me a serving. Okay, that looks about right for me.
Oh, that looks great, Marie.
Okay. And I have this salad right here to go with it. Let me taste it. So, I'm sure it's hard. See the steam coming off of it.
Yeah, don't burn yourself.
That is really good.
Well, I'm looking forward to that then. It's gonna make a good lunch for today.
It is.
Looks like enough for leftovers for more than one day.
So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye. The cracked chicken spaghetti was really good today. I give it 5 stars. We really enjoyed our meal with our salad.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.